Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Titan Army. Oh boy, this should be interesting. And you can also use my affiliate code, which is down below. See what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item now, add it to your cart, check out. And I think they could still ship it before Christmas or maybe a few days after. But you know how that goes this time of year. You never know. But definitely check them out. They got a lot of good deals going on now. And we'll see what's inside. Alright guys, here we go. This is the Amazon page where it's going to take you to it. Titan Army 32-inch curved gaming monitor, 2K, 1440 or 1440p, 144 hertz monitor, 1ms depth of sync and G-Sync, 1500R curved, 95% DCI P3, frameless, VESA, tilt adjustable, HDMI 2.0, DP. So right now they got a coupon. It's for $50 off. That ends January 31st, 2024. So you got about a month to get this monitor. You can buy two of them, connect them together. But this is what you get. Free sync. It's be looking sweet on games. I'll bring up my Xbox once I install it. So there we go, AMD. Definitely looks nice. I'll show you what it looks like right now. Here's part of it. This is not totally hooked up yet. With HDMI 2, HDMI 1, DIP 2, DIP 1, audio, power. I'm not sure these are RGB lights. So we'll hook it up. And you get all the goodies in here and a couple of stuff in there. So definitely gonna set this up right now and be back. Alright guys, here it is right out the box. Easy install. And now we're gonna test it out with some TV. I didn't feel like grabbing my Xbox, so this was the closest thing I could get at the moment. So we're gonna look at it, a little video, but you could tell this is definitely a curve. Nice size too. Definitely gonna put it in my room once I clean that area up. But definitely thank you guys at Titan Army for sending me this 31-inch, 32-inch PC gaming monitor curve. If you guys could see what we're about to turn on right about now. Okay, there we go. We got the buttons down here. Whoa. Pops up right away. Look at that. Yeah, you guys can tell definitely this is curved. So I'm going to try to watch the football game for a brief second. So hopefully that we don't get copyrighted for the video. But it's a test. So we're going to try it. Let me flip through and find it. Alright guys, look at this with the lights on. This looks amazing. It's like playing Madden right now. That's what we're doing. Remember, John Madden football. Good game. Here we go. Left, right. There we go. Slide. Boom. And also the menu buttons right here. And you can switch to picture settings, color settings, and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is definitely amazing. I'm going to shut the lights off right now. Here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can tell it's curved for sure. Really nice. Come on, Eagles. Eagles win. Lions are in the playoffs. So definitely happy that they're up 10-0. But definitely check out Titan Army, I do believe. Links are going to be down below. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to everybody. And be safe out there. See you in the new year. I'm not sure if I'm getting any more unboxings until then. You guys be safe. And I almost forgot, guys. Look at this. This is sweet. Got the RGB lights running, or the LEDs. Really cool. I'm trying to figure out what the hook's for. I have no idea. Maybe hang the wires or controller, headset, something. But yeah, definitely cool. But like I said, great picture quality. Definitely excited to try some Xbox on it, like we did earlier.
I don't know that.
And then that's about it. You guys be safe. Have a good night.